तां सोदाहरणं विशदीकुरतु. Number 2. कीर्तिसेनाया बुद्धिबलं मनोधैर्यश्च उद्दिश्य पाठ्यांशानुगुणं विवृणुता. Answer. The lesson Veeravanita Kirtisena is taken from the book Samskrita Gadyavali written by P.V. Kane. P.V. Kane has good command on English, Marathi, Sanskrit and Hindi. Among the books which he has written, History of Dharma Shastra in English is very popular. He was also Rajya Sabha member from 1953 to 1959. Once in the town Pataliputram of Magadha kingdom lived a businessman called Dhanapala. He had a daughter named Kirtisena. He got his daughter married to a businessman named Devasena. Devasena's mother was a cruel lady. She troubled Kirtisena and never let her happily live with her husband. She used to pick up a quarrel whenever she could. Ayam te vashpamokshaha tava pituhu krite astu. Devasena had to go to other countries in order to earn money. Kirtisena tried the best to stop him from going, but it was in vain. After her son left, Devasena's mother abused her, quarrelled with her and put her in a dark room. She gave her very little food in an earthen pot. Nityarudite durbage mangalonjite kim chiram rodishi. Unable to bear the torture, Devasena gave her, Kirtisena managed to make a pit in the room, where she luckily found an iron rod. With the iron rod, she made a tunnel and escaped from the house. She disguised herself as a man and went into the forests. There, with the fear of being caught by the thieves, she hides herself in a hole in a tree on which a female demon was living. In the morning, the demon tells her sons that this would be lot of food for them to eat, as the king of land would die soon of an infection of ear caused by an insect called Shatapadi. The infection will increase, causing headache which cannot be treated by any doctor. Then he would soon die of agony. Having asked by her sons, the demon also tells about the remedy. She says the king should be positioned upside down. Ghee should be smeared on his head. A bamboo tube should be placed inside the ear. When hot air is blown through one side of the ear, the insects would move toward the end of the bamboo and thus come out. Listening to this conversation, Kirtisena decides to protect the king. She disguises herself as a doctor and goes to the palace. She gives treatment and saves the king. Esha vaidyavesham vidayamahmam jeevitam vyatastad. The king feels very happy. He tells Devasena about the good nature of Kirtisena. In spite of herself being in trouble, she saved his life. As a token of gratitude, he gives her and Devasena half of his kingdom. Kirtisena Vivahamu.